Chapter 37. Kumbakharna. Kumbakharna was the younger brother of Ravana. He was a giant who slept for days, weeks, or months at a time. The royal servants entered his underground chambers and began the process of trying to wake the Titan. They blew conches, shouted in his ears, pulled at his hair, pounded on his feet, and eventually brought elephants to trumpet and trample over his body. Finally, Kumbakharna stirred. Each time he awoke, he was ravenous in his hunger. The royal kitchen had already prepared hundreds of meals, vats of wine, and goblets of blood for him to consume. Once Kumbakharna had somewhat satiated his hunger, he turned to the royal minister. "Why was I awakened?" he bellowed. "Your brother, the king, urgently wishes to speak to you, my lord," replied the minister. Kumbakharna arrived at Ravana's palace, shaking the ground as he walked. "My brother, I am glad to see you. I have great need of your assistance," said Ravana. The demon king related the news of Ram's siege of Lanka and the events that had occurred during his brother's sleep. Kumbakharna laughed. "My brother, you were warned by Vibhishan and myself in this matter. Your lust for the Princess Sita has invited your doom. You are well aware, the Vedas teach us of the Purusharthas, the four aims of life: Kama, pleasure and desire; Artha, wealth and power; Dharma, duty and righteousness; and Moksha, liberation. One must maintain balance between these aims. You allowed Kama to cloud your Dharma. You abandoned righteousness for obsession." Ravana was angered by his brother's scathing remarks. "I awakened you so that you can help me and save our kingdom," he snapped. "I have no need for lessons of conduct at this time." Kumbakharna regretted his harsh words, as he sensed his brother's fear and desperation. "Of course, you are my eldest brother, and as such, I am always at your service. I will go forth, I will destroy all your enemies, and I will pile their broken bodies at your feet. Do not fear, brother. Kumbakharna will end the war this day." On the battlefield, the Vanaras, fueled by Ram's victory over Ravana, continued to beat the demon forces back. But then, from the southern gate, crouching beneath the arched entrance too low for his frame, emerged a monstrous figure. The Vanara army looked up in terror as the giant Kumbakharna looked down upon them, battle mace in hand. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.